Hello, I recently used Cornell's Bird app and it captured the enchanting melody of a nightingale singing its little heart out. The beauty of its song was truly an ear to behold. The nightingale has been a favourite subject with many English poets writing about them. Robert Bridges' poem, in particular, holds a special place in my heart. Its beauty and depth resonates with me on a personal level, making it one of my all-time favourite bird songs. The distinction of this poem lies in the unconventional manner in which Bridges has handled the theme. His poem is in the form of a dialogue between the poet and the nightingales, and the bird's answer may be regarded as Bridges' own method of poetic composition. He draws his inspiration not from external nature, but from the inner urges, longings, and unfulfilled desires, which he can express only poorly and imperfectly, as the nightingales do with utmost effort. Bridges' poem is read here by Breathe.
Nightingales by Robert Bridges. Beautiful must be the mountains whence ye come, and bright in the fruitful valleys the streams wherefrom ye learn your song. Where are those starry woods? Oh, might I wander there, among the flowers which in that heavenly air bloom the year long? Nay, barren are those mountains, and spent the streams. Our song is the voice of desire that haunts our dreams, a throe of the heart, whose pining visions dim, forbidden hopes profound, no dying cadence nor long sigh can sound for all our art. Alone, aloud, in the raptured ear of men, we pour our dark nocturnal secret, and then, as night is withdrawn from these sweet springing meads and bursting boughs of May, dream, while the innumerable choir of day welcome the dawn. End of poem.